Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Okay, you guys know I love to mess around in the party section just to see what's what. And look at these napkins I found. They come in a pack of 14. But is that not especially for like a birthday or something? Do you guys see those like super colorful iridescent stars? I love every last piece of that. And it also comes in just the regular silver stars. But why would we go with just regular when we could do that? I also saw these, which would be super cute for everybody's upcoming Valentine's Day kind of DIYs. Look at this set of napkins. And you get 25 napkins in there for $1.25. Super, super cute. I could see definitely doing a little decoupage number with that. They also have this corresponding plate, which I know I've seen before. Also something that we could use for some DIYs. Let me know if you guys are picking any of these up. Okay, we can stop it right now. I'm about to do every last DIY you've ever seen in your life with these. This is my first time seeing these. Are we seeing the handle on this? Stop it. I don't even know what to do with myself because I'm about to snatch up. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. 18 of these little plastic spoons, and it comes in the plastic spoon version. It comes in the plastic fork version. It's the handle that I'm looking at, you guys. But guess what I'm about to snatch up? This. It comes in the plastic kind of pick version. And I have DIYs planned. And what are these? Are these just $1.25? I cannot tell because they just have that red dot on them. So who knows? Who knows? Are these all $2? Nobody knows. We're going to see what is going on here. Okay, you guys, I saw something, but it was so far up here. Let me get it down because I don't think I had ever seen this before. So it's 3 ready sets, right? With this beautiful faux plastic kind of silverware with the fork, the spoon, and the knife. But they're coming in this like kind of napkin all ready to go. So there's 3 full sets in here. That's actually kind of nice. I really like that. And I think these, I don't know if these are at the $2 price or they're at the $1.25. I'm not going to know until I get up to the top, but I thought that this was really cool. Let me know if you think this is cool too. Somebody come get me. It's happening again. Look at these appetizer tasting spoons. Let me get them into the light so we can actually see them. Because sometimes it's hard to see stuff through these baggies. But do you see that? That's how it's supposed to look. Oh my gosh. My only knock on this is that they made these, you guys, so that they're $2 per pack. So that's like 75 cents more than what I planned for, which makes it somewhat prohibitive because I like to buy things in bulk and use them. So that $2 price tag is making it real spicy. But I think these are wonderful, and I can think of 1,000 DIY designs to do with them. At $2, I might have to grab, oh my goodness, I might have to grab 2. But I got to tell you right now, Dollar Tree, I really need you guys to not be raising the price on our DIY supplies. Okay, guys, look what I just found. It's over here in the party section, and it's this, I think it's like, oh, gift filler. Okay, I did not know what was going on. So it looks like it comes like that. You take it apart and then it fills up the bag. Okay. I wish I understood. Okay, so here's the color. Got it. Okay, so weird. It's kind of like the confetti or kind of gift filler, but it comes in this circle. And then you just pull it apart. And then apparently that's what you get. Interesting. Let me know if you guys have tried this or have seen this before. It's over here. I have no idea how much it is. But interesting. First time ever seeing that. First time ever seeing that. Okay, you guys. Again, thinking about some of the spring DIYs and things we have coming up. Look at these cute boxes. I don't think I have ever seen these boxes before. Now, whether you DIY these or just leave them as is, and never mind my dry hands, y'all. We know that they're dry. We get it. These are super cute. I love that. I love that. And the butterfly on the top is slightly raised. I saw that one, which is a good size. But then I saw this one as well, which is slightly larger. Very, very cute. Let me know if you guys, I think, so there's the two sizes next to each other. And it says that these are all, I think, $1.25. Super cute. I see another one over here. Let me check it out. This one here as well. Very, very spring. Very, very spring-like, you guys. Loving that. I'm also seeing a couple things we need to talk about as well, which are these tissue papers. I'm loving this. You guys see that with that beautiful blue? Again, thinking about Valentine's Day for some of you guys who craft. These are $1.25. I see one that's making me think about St. Patrick's Day and spring. But you guys see that? Love it. Now what's going on here? Love that floral. That's also making me think about spring. Let me get that over there. I think I've seen this one before. A little bit paler greenery. Also making me think about spring. What's going on over here? That's more of a birthday version. But what is this? Oh, you better come get this right now. Let me get my life together. Look at the gold. But most importantly, look at those sunflowers. So pretty. 10 sheets for that $1.25. Wow. Let me know if you guys have seen these. More cool erasers. Look at that. Love it. Love these erasers, you guys. Again, we're midway through the year, so the needing of erasers is a real thing. I also love this very colorful pack of erasers here. Let me know if you guys feel the same way about erasers that I do, because it's hard. It's hard to not have erasers, right? Okay, I just wanted to point this out because I know that this time of year is when people start, you know, you're like, hey, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna change my routine and really start to be focused this year. And I thought this was super cute. This to-do dry erase board for $3. Great thing to have for a day. I'm actually considering grabbing this my dang self because I like how you could just do it just for the day. I wouldn't do this for the week, but as a day kind of planner, I love the way this is looking. I'm actually gonna pick this up. Let me know what you guys are doing differently this year to keep yourself organized. Oh my gosh, am I the only one who's like completely crazy about these erasers? I love like crazy little novelty erasers like this. This one is based on 3D sushi, I guess. Look at that. Oh, that is so super, super, super cute. Love it. They also have one that's like kind of one for sports. And then they have some of these kind of basic, kind of cool ones. Now these are all $1.25, which to me is a good price for the amount of erasers that you would get. And this is about halfway through the school year for everybody. So at this point, we all need new erasers, right? The erasers we started with came and gone. So this is a definite time to maybe re-up on those. Oh, what is this? Oh, I pushed back a little bit and we saw the ones from the farm. I love that. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, now my girl Joy from Joyful Designs, she loves office supplies. So I got to do this for her. Look at these pom-pom push pins, you guys. Super cute. Super cute. So it looks like there's different colors in some of these, but you get 12 push pins. Oh, look at those cute little tiny ones. I love it. I love it. So if you're an office person and you like push pins, I think this is my first time seeing these. I also really love this. It's kind of like these are all magnets, apparently. And this nice little kind of almost upcoming spring kind of color. That's super cute. What else is over here in the office section? Because you know they always get us with the office supplies. Magnetic bookmarks. That's kind of crazy. Very, very cool. I don't know if I've ever seen these before. Let me know if you guys have seen them. There's 6 bookmarks and they have some cute little sayings on them. Hope, grace upon grace. Love it. I love those. Let me know if you guys have seen those as well. Check this out. So, different store, but they have that magnet set, and I think these are different colors. I don't know, but you guys let me know if these are different colors than the ones we saw before, but I feel like these are more muted. Okay, yeah, I think the one we saw before was that, and then now we have the more muted version, but really, really cool, and I love, again, that you get 6 magnets in that pack. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, have a good rest of your day.